bugs, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Samara Curtiss, and this week I have another fun and easy recipe that anyone can do. So if you want to see what we're about to whip up, stay tuned. So this week's recipe comes courtesy from my best friend Jamise, who this weekend created a delicious looking buffalo chicken bite or egg roll or wonton, whatever you want to call it, depending on what you wrap it in. And she told me the only things we need to create this simple and easy snack is chicken. She used rotisserie chicken, which is genius because it's already cooked and all she had to do was shred it. Me, on the other hand, I had chicken breast already on hand, so I pre-cooked that and I'm going to shred that up. We will need cream cheese, buffalo sauce, something to wrap them in, and by that I mean like an egg roll wrapper or a wonton wrapper. I still have the egg roll wrappers left over from when I did the cheesesteak egg rolls in 2 videos prior to this. Check that out if you want to. And you'll also need something to fry the egg rolls, wontons, bites in, and you'll need a pan because we'll be combining all these ingredients together. So let's get cooking. So these are the simplest ingredients in the world that you will need, and they are buffalo sauce, chicken, which you'll shred up very fine, cream cheese, some type of wrapper. Like I said, I still have the egg roll wrappers, and an egg wash, which I forgot to say earlier, but that'll be used to seal the egg rolls, bites, wontons after we add the filling into them. So I'm going to go ahead and get the chicken all shredded up and into a pot, and I'll be right back. So the next instructions are, once we have our chicken finely shredded, we're going to put it into a pan on medium heat. And then we're going to add in our buffalo sauce and cream cheese, and we're going to combine all those ingredients until they are finely cooked together. I'm going to add in 2 more scoops of cream cheese because I feel like it needs that. And we're just going to wait until everything kind of melts down and it's all mixed together. And you want to make sure it stays on medium heat so you don't burn your sauce or you don't overcook and dry out your chicken. And I'm only making 2 of these buffalo chicken bites, so 1 chicken breast was enough for me. Once everything is all mixed up, we're going to remove it from the heat and we're going to fill our egg rolls. Okay, so I have my egg roll wrappers ready and prepared. I'm going to go ahead and trim off some of the excess because I don't need a big egg roll. They're just gonna be little bites. So I'm gonna trim off some of the excess with a pizza roller, pizza cutter, and we're gonna go ahead and fill our bites. So I'm just gonna make sure this is all mixed together and take a spoonful. And then we're gonna go ahead and create our egg wash with our egg. And this will be used just to seal the edges of the bites. And like I said in my cheesesteak video, you can either use your fingers. I have a brush, so I'm going to go ahead and use a brush to wrap and seal these rolls. And we'll go to the same roll that we did for our cheesesteak bites. Up, in, and roll it on up. And we're going to repeat the same step with the second chicken buffalo bite. Okay, so now that we have our buffalo chicken bites, egg rolls, wontons, whatever we decide to call them, since we have them all rolled up and ready to go in the deep fryer, and the deep fryer has been preheating and getting super hot for the oil, we're going to go ahead and drop those in, let them get nice and crispy and golden brown, take them out, plate them, cut them, and serve them on up. So let's go ahead and drop these into the deep fryer. So our deep fryer is ready and hot, so we can go ahead and drop in these buffalo chicken bites. Okay, so they sound like they're ready to come out, and the rule of thumb for me is, since the ingredients inside are already cooked, just making sure that the outside is a nice and golden brown color, which these are. So we're going to go ahead and let these drain a little bit, and we'll transfer them onto a paper towel so all of the excess oil can go ahead and drain off, and we can enjoy, plate, and eat. Okay, so the buffalo chicken bites have been sitting on the paper towel to let all the excess oil drain off, and now we are going to transfer them onto a plate, cut them up, and serve. buffalo chicken bites courtesy of my best friend Jamise. This was the simplest snack I could have made and decided to make today on such a hectic day. But let's go ahead and try these. And I went ahead and added a little blue cheese sauce just in case I wanted to fancy and dip a little bite in. But let's go ahead and try them. I love me a good buffalo chicken dip, and adding a crunch factor, you can't go wrong. So I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe, and leave a comment to let me know if you tried it yourself and how it turned out. Until next week, love bugs, see you later.